everyone, welcome to our first video, creating my first Android Studio project. So this is the Android Studio window. Now before you start coding, always make sure to click this button down here, and then you click check for updates to check for the latest version of Android Studio. It's always good to keep your softwares up to date. Then you can also use the SDK manager to update your SDK files. Now to start your new Android Studio project, you click on Start New Android Studio Project. You type the application name that is here. I'm going to leave this as my application. Then you add your company domain, that is your website or the website of your company. Then your project location. You leave everything else as it is, and then you click Next. Now in the next window, we have the target Android devices, the devices you want your application to be able to run on. So we have the phone and tablet. We have Wear, we have TV, we have Android Auto and Android Things. So since we are developing for phone and tablet, you select phone and tablet and uncheck the rest of the boxes. Now under the phone and tablet, you click on the box. You click on the box and select the minimum SDK, that is the least requirement for your Android application. Now if you choose API 14, which is Android 4.0, that is ice cream sandwich, it is going to be able to run on approximately 100% of devices. So you'll be able to get approximately 100% of Android users being able to use your app. Now if you choose a very high minimum SDK, you are going to get a limited number of people being able to access your application. And the latest, which is Android P, so that it is less than 1. So it's always advisable to get 100 or 95 or 99. That is okay. Now when you select this, you click on Next. But if you are not able to make the right choice, you can always use Help Me Choose. It will open a dialog box for you to tell you the percentages. You look at that and then you click OK, you go back and then you select your app. So this is Next. It goes to the Add Activity to Mobile app. Now for our first, since this is our first application, we are going to choose the Basic Activity app. Then we click on Next. Now in the Next, you leave everything as it is and click Finish. Now when you click Finish, I am not going to do that. Android Studio is going to generate your application from scratch. And when it finishes building your Gradle files, everything finishes setting up, you can run your application and you will see the Hello World text displaying in your emulator screen or on your Android phone. Thank you. That's it for now. Bye.